What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about Jasmy. Now there's a few exceptionally intriguing improvements accompanying Jasmy, as well as some very decent cost activity. Furthermore, we could be most of the way ready to see a major breakout for Jasmy in the event that we get market feeling going in support of ourselves. Presently we will separate 2 or 3 intriguing parts, especially a portion of the enormous organizations that Jasmy have that many individuals aren't discussing. You most certainly should know about them. So in the event that you're holding Jasmy, you're in the Jasmy armed force. Make certain to buy into the feed. We present to you the best in class in cryptographic money, as well as the need might arise to be aware for your speculations. Furthermore, we should get on into it and see what's happening. So we as a whole realize that Hara is an extremely focused CFO. We know the group, and I've discussed this in various recordings, that as a matter of fact, the item they have is totally for the lifespan of cryptographic money. However, the group are really buckling down as far as getting out there. So we see, Hara here says, at Binance Live, I give a discourse in English making sense of Jasmy's business and future business improvement, and this was a blog like Binance Live, and you can see there that Hara is in the talkers. Furthermore, the speakers will go through this, which I believe is extremely fascinating, 21st of June. So truth be told, coming later on tomorrow, and where they will be discussing especially their undertaking as well as various different things that we can see. So once more, barely something else, what's extremely intriguing is the way that it's the Binance Live when we realize Binance moved Jasmy into that development area. So I believe it's an extremely savvy continue on Hara's part to be involved and be where Binance is. I believe it's most certainly about setting an assumption as far as what Jasmy needs to do. So uplifting news as we see to do that. What's more, I discussed this some time back that we got the huge organization with Avita, that blockchain PC, and it only sort of sums up it super well in this little realistic here. It says all the Vita PC metals or blockchain application prepared along with Jasmy secure PC arrangement. It says, for clients who request high security and protection, Avita blockchain NPC is your decision of PC and one single gadget for you to release the capability of blockchain innovation. As far as Jasmy, the Jasmy Secure PC arrangement feature is the abilities of the Avita workstations as blockchain-prepared gadgets. Furthermore, Avita Blockchain PC is prepared to perform blockchain-related applications or errands safely and easily, and afterward bridling the force of blockchain innovation. Avita blockchain computers guarantee the most significant level of safety and security. More blockchain applications to come, and I think this is where the associations are vital for Jasmy. In any case, this is a gigantic organization. Many individuals don't really comprehend how huge an organization this is. This is each Avita PC emerging with Jasmy Secure PC on it to empower them to interface with blockchain applications as well, so a whole lot more, and guard that information. Furthermore, I believe that is a colossal step. At the point when we take a gander at guideline, we take a gander at various different things descending the pipeline. Jasmy simply feels impeccably positioned to do that. What's more, once more, we discuss organizations, and organizations are inconceivably significant, whether you're a venture of your blockchain, whether you're beginning YouTube, anything it is, associations in the crypto space is so significant. We are the early adopters of this innovation. We're the early individuals into this space. We need to remain together, and that is the proper thing to do. Furthermore, what you have here is Jasmy simply setting up a generally excellent organization of innovation-based organizations and similarly notable brands that can uphold the improvement of what they need to do. So we realize that Jasmy and WIT Portable Travel Administration Information Stage have joined forces up, and what's significant here is where the profile of mine joins into Jasmy. So the organization adds to advancement of program driving, man-made reasoning in Web of Things. Presently I did a video on IT and how that connections back into the Jasmy environment, staggeringly significant for you, I, and every other person in the realm of how we adapt our information. Or on the other hand, similarly, how we don't permit that to be shared uninhibitedly and without our assent. It's CBS Digital by giving specific advances, for example, implanted programming, security, reenactment, practical security and working framework, which has been engaged with the improvement of driving Japanese vehicle makers, car parts providers. Home Apple here applies producers and machine instrument makers on the off chance that you've at any point proceeded to purchase a vehicle. Or on the other hand, you've had your vehicle administration or anything that it is, you need to finish up a lot of structure, join to this bulletin, change that location. It's totally crazy. I believe that is where Jasmy decides to accomplish something else. You do it through the blockchain, which you have full oversight even after you pass on this to the showroom or whatever else. So what corporative clients do they have? Panasonic as in Seiki, Toyota Engine Panasonic Project, the undertaking site there which ink.co, so a few enormous organizations that are then integrated all normally back with Jasmy, all of which feed into this information democratization, guaranteeing that you have caretaker of your information that is shared, and I believe it's unimaginably significant. It says the extraordinary influx of the fourth institutional unrest is a diving deep into all parts of individuals' lives. As per the figure distributed by Global Information Partnerships on June 18, the quantity of IoT gadgets associated with the organization on the planet will arrive at 41.6 billion. Also, these gadgets will create 79.4 ZB of information each and every year. So that is a billion TB. Totally awesome. Recall all that information will be portions of what you do, how you cooperate with them, and that is the thing Jasmy is attempting to settle now in an exceptionally fascinating spot with Jasmy with regards to terms of cost activity 2.54% up on the day 3832, the ongoing cost. Yet, we're searching for a break at an extremely unbiased exchanging design at the present time. We need to see a break perhaps to the potential gain as long as the market keeps on accompanying us. We could see a break to the potential gain and see some areas of strength for really help as we're seeing with various other cryptographic forms of money, Solana being one of them. We're seeing Casper organization doing likewise. So extremely fascinating. I might want to see a break to this potential gain. Jasmy sort of head on back up getting through that 4 zone, thinking we get some excellent market feeling with us, and similarly some more news emerging about Jasmy, even especially the Penance Live. We could see areas of strength for some development, however exceptionally fascinating example, extremely non-partisan. We need to see a break to the potential gain. The reality of the situation will come out eventually, however Jasmy looking very great at this moment. Guys, that is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content, you want to stay up to date. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.